Welcome to How It's Fixed. In today's video, we will replace the battery for the remote of Honda cars. The very first step is we take out the key from the remote itself. I will be using short, slotted or flat head screwdriver, and I'll place it right in the middle of the key. Then I will rotate the screwdriver. This will enforce the remote to open itself. Using the same screwdriver, now I will take out the battery. Now you see we specifically need a battery with the code of CR2032 and 3 watts. And it doesn't have to be from made in Indonesia, it can be from made in China as well. There I got the new battery with me with the same code. And now I would place it back to the remote. Looks good. Now I would try to put back the other side of the remote cover. Now the edges of the remote cover has some clips, so we just need to slightly push them from all corners, and there it tightens the remote itself. Everything looks good. Now I would put back the key. And there I changed the battery for Honda Civic keys. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here is the section where you can find out our other DIY videos. Feel free to take a look and we'll catch you in the next video.